Yeah, continue the third piece. Yeah, this is that another topic, parts of leaf. Yeah, first one you can observing that some plants are store food. Yeah, some plants are store food and stems only. Store some plants are store food in roots and stems. What are that stores food in stems and roots? What are the examples of that? Carrot in our figure 4 is also there in that carrot, beetroot and radish. These all are the figures are there in that. Some plants store that roots and stems. If it says store of that materials or food there in that stems only. These roots are bulged out and called the tuberous roots. What are the tuberous roots? Tuberous roots. What are the tuberous roots? Tuberous roots. Some plants store food in roots and stems. Roots and stems. And these roots bulge out and called the tuberous roots. What are the examples of that tuberous roots in your figure 4? Carrot, beetroot, and radish, and one more example is also sweet potato. These all are the examples of that tuberous roots. Tuberous roots. These all are the tuberous roots and some store of the food in stems and roots. Yeah, next one is the next topic is that parts of leaf. Here leaves is the very another important parts of the plants. Very important parts in the plants. So there are so different leaves are there in our surroundings. So one example. So I take the one examples of that one leaf.
Where you get that?
In your at home, you can one leaves. I collected one leaves. This is the hibiscus leaves. So this is that some is the leaf parts of the leaves. This is the examples of this figure 5. What are the parts are there? What is the middle? Here it is that this is the midrib. This like is the midrib. This part is a male. What is the definition? Is also you can write down here it is. What are the midrib? And the leaf contains the leaf base and your stalk-like structures is called as a petiole. And your leaf base is this is the leaf base. This is the leaf base and this is the midrib. And these all is the veins only, not a veins. Veins. This is the veins only. Here it is that this is the base, leaf base, and this is the midrib, and all are the one more is the petiole. Petiole. This like is the petiole. This like is the petiole only. And lamina here it is the lamina. This like is the lamina. Okay, you can understood of this one. Same figure is also there in the 5. Figure 5 is also there in the textbook is also same leaf there are both of you.
Same.
Yeah, some here it is. And what are the figure 5? You can write down here it is. First one is the midrib. What are the plants? Yeah, leaves and other important parts of the plants. Here it is that about if it's a leaf contains the leaf base and stalk-like structure is called as the petiole and lamina. What are it is leaf base and stalk structure. Leaf base and stalk. Here it is that stalk-like structure. This is called as the petiole and lamina. Here both of it is one. Lamina here it is this like only. Okay, children side stalk-like structure. Okay, this like structure only. Okay, and next is the leaf base. Compulsory both of you there you can use the lamina. If it's a leaf contains the leaf base and stalk-like structure is the that one only. And one more your point. What is the your points? The leaf contains the leaf base. Your structure is called as a petiole and lamina. The leaf lamina usually consisting of midrib, veins and venlets arranged in the form of the network is also there. And next is the lines on the leaf are called as the veins. These lines on the leaf is called as the lines on the leaf is called as the veins only. And next one more point. The long when present in the middle of the lamina is called as the midrib. This is the long when. Okay. The long when present in the middle of the lamina. Middle of the lamina is called as the midrib. You can understand? Yeah, what are the you can next the branches of arising from the midrib are called veins. The branches of arranging the midrib. The branches of arranging the midrib. Okay, these are all. These are all is called as the veins. Veins only. Okay, Gagan, the branches of midrib is called as the veins. And one more point. And even final division or is the ventlets. All are the other final divisions is all are the ventlets. So this small you can observe in neatly. You can all are the remaining you can these are all is the ventlets only. Alag branches of ventlets there. That alag branches are there only. So that's why I can ventlets only. Here it is also you can write down here it is also given side definitions. The leaf lamina usually consisting of the midrib. The leaf lamina is usually consisting of the midrib, veins and ventlets arranged in the network. The long vein is present in the middle of the lamina is called as the midrib. This is the midrib. You can understand? What is that one? And next point, the branches of arranging from the midrib are called veins. And even final divisions are called as the ventlets. This is the all the arranging that veins. Next, ventlets. And next is the activity. Activity 3. You can understand of this one. You can say activity 3. In your page number is the 87. What are the activity? Here are all the same leaves same. What are the activity name? Or all the leaves are same. Next one, given feature of the leaf in figure 5, you can observing that neatly. You can figure 5, you can observing. Some questions is also there. Where is the leaf attached to the stem? And what is the flat portion of the leaf called? What is the flat portion of the leaf called? And what do you call the some line like structure in the flat portion of the leaf? Which parts connects the leaf lamina with them? These are all questions you can observe in there in that given pictures is also there in that figure 5 you can observe in there. Once you see neatly you can observe it. And next one your activity 3. Observe the leaves of the plants that you collected in activity 1. Activity you can collected that 5 plants are collected with activity 1. So that's all. How are they? How are they? And first question is how are they? And are all the leaves are the same size and shape is the same? Once you see the all of the leaves is the same size. After but there is no leaves. There is only sample leaves here. It is only one sample. After tomorrow onwards, we are collecting the all of the different types of the leaves. Is I collecting of tomorrow onwards. Original tomorrow class I will collection of that. All are the leaves only. First, second question, what are the all are the leaves are the same size or shape? And next one is a see in a figure showing a leaf and its parts is also there. What are the common parts that you are observing in all our leaves? What are the common parts?
Okay.
Everything is what are both are the this like is the midrib is the common. What is the venus is common and the petal is common and the leaf base is common. And once you check in all are the different plants of the leaves you can observing only. And next one, do all the leaves have the same shape? Allow if it's all are the leaves are the same shapes if it's different shapes once you see can observing that different collection of the leaves. Tomorrow onwards you collection of that all are the leaves given side. And one more point is compare the leaves of the plants collected in activity 1 with figure 5. In figure 5 is a collection of the activities of 5 and plants, and you are write your observations in the table 3. You can observations in the table 3. You can page number is 87. You can observations in the table 3. You can write down here it is your observations. And you can also draw and you can see the shape and edge columns of the describing these difficulties also. This is a shape allowed. What's the shape of the leaf? And what is the edges? What is the edges? What is the shape? Shape, round shape or parallel shape. You can observe it. Different shapes of there are, all are the leaves only. Some is a parallel shape and some is a round shape and some is a irregular shapes is also their leaves. So that's why what are the edges? What are the edges of the leaf? And next is a shape of the leaf. What's the shape? Round shape or parallel shape? What is the line shape? And you can observe in that only. Only our sample once you are in that class. Today class you can see and you can what are anything you can observing of that one more topic. And next is a table. You can is also draw the table in that activity 3. Serial number 1 and name of the plant. And what is that next technique? Leaf base. Leaf base. Another point is the petiole. And third one is the lamina and shape of the leaf and edges of the leaf. If it's a collection of the serial ways, you can collection of that all are the 5 plant activity, same activity in activity 1. All are the 5 plants of the leaves you can collect into. And what is the first plant is the tridex plant. If it's a leaf base, is the leaf base is the, if it's a S only. Otherwise no. And is a petiole of, you can observe all of the leaves only. You can say if it's S, say. And lamina is there in the plants. This is S. And shape of the plant leaf and shape. What is the shape? You can S. And edges of that leaf is also what are the shape. You can write down here. It is the shape of that leaf. Everything you can leave the shape. You can write down here. It is. And edges is also write down here. It is one by one a collection of the 5.
Let's go.
Yeah, all our observations you can write down your fill in the blanks 1 to 5 lines. You can you can step by step you can write down here it is only. Okay. This is the activity table number 3 activity or all the leaves are the same. And the activity fill that one. And this page is over and next one this page you are learn the other side. What is the tuberous roots and what is the parts of the leaf and what is that some activity 3 or the leaves are the same. This is the page of the third page. You will learn about these all of points. And next one is goes to that next page. That is the today is the last page. And that is the chapter is not finishing but that is the last page only. You can understand of this page, Gagan say? Yeah.